then I have a small car, and this decided to happen, and it's currently still happening. You see it? It's not, it don't look bad on the camera, but it's snowing crazy. Hello, darkness, my old friend. See, this is why I just want to live in California. What up, peeps? What up, peeps? What up, peeps? We got Midnight back here. Midnight? You know your name, Mama? Why are you crawling?
Make sure the process is on board.
It is. You want me to window? Oh, okay. I guess we ain't talking. Did you want me to window wipe? Follow what ass. Follow what ass, buddy. Mommy. Midnight. You want to come up here, Mama? I would let you, but she's kind of ratchet. But no, she's not ratchet. She probably just, I don't want her to pee on me or nothing while we driving and stuff like that. My mom do this with no gloves. Come on now. She not know we live in North Pole. We live in the North Pole. That is Michael Jackson. Yeah, I think we go. Ooh, she almost busted her. You cool? I gotta, oh man, the camera ain't this way. I was gonna say, we gotta look back at that shell. Camera. Midnight. Midnight. Midnight.
To the boom box. I know.
Midnight's sad.
I don't know, Mary.
Just slow down.
You said the process is on? Put me on, maybe.
I had it down because you like to complain.
I think when I stopped it again, I wanted to get that shit back started. I think it was too broken, Mary. Let it pull me into the cow. I know what you mean. I've seen snow, but it said 50% chance, and I was hoping it would go away.
I don't know how that's gonna go. Oh my God, I'm scared. We need to bring back home. I don't know what we're trying to do. He got snow tires. Is that bigger hill coming, Mommy? You know what I'm talking about? They can't even tell on the camera that it's white.
I'm on 38 and 7. You know what I'm saying?
It's not gonna be. Oh, I see the light right there. See the light of day. It's a chunks.
Exactly. When should I come around for 38th Street? You know what I'm saying? What are you talking to? This is crazy. What number are we at? 4. I know he probably want water. I ain't got nothing to give it.
Midnight, my fans.
Alright.
Go, Rodjanae! I'm your biggest fan. The guitar is not in tune, though. I can hear it's not in tune.
Yeah, it's not in tune.
I showed you the app. Why didn't you tune? Go, number 24.
Put more work into this and not being on that
Yeah, I don't
computer.
know where I got this shirt from,
Oh.
but it was in my clothes.
Go.
Pizza.
Yeah, find it. You gotta start from the beginning. I'm about to do some lyrical and stuff, so y'all bet you when I got the wife.
My phone is
Got my driver license last week, just like we always talked about.
I'm not sure if I ever recorded when I got back from the vet, but we had made it back, and we had made it there and back.
What was the recording for?
So we didn't end up
What is he doing?
a video. So we didn't end up finding a house that day, but we ended up going to look at some more. But the very first house was nice, but it was too small for us. And what is it called? The bedroom small. The backyard wasn't gated. And yeah, because the bedrooms we got in this house right now, they're huge. Like huge. And we just got these 2 rooms added onto this house. Well, not us, our landlord did. Our landlord got these 2 rooms added onto our house, and they even a big size.
These rooms ain't big.
These rooms is big, Chris, compared to that house that we went to see. Them rooms was, I'm about to show you the house that we saw. I'm finna show you it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video type style that we are going to be doing every Saturday. So look out for our vlogs. Bye.